Lotus has unveiled the all-new Emira GT4 race car on the iconic Hethel test track, with a dynamic demonstration of its thrilling performance. At an exclusive event earlier this week, VIP guests were treated to passenger laps of the legendary 2.2-mile circuit with Gavan Kershaw, Director of Vehicle Attributes at Lotus and a former British GT Championship winner, at the wheel. The Emira GT4 comes with a 3.5-liter V6 engine from Toyota, which in this application delivers a peak output of 400 horsepower at 7,200 RPM. Power reaches the rear wheels through an X-Track 6-speed sequential gearbox with paddle shift actuation and a limited slip differential. Braking power is provided by a competition specification brake system using an adjustable Bosch ABS module. Customers interested in buying an Emira GT4 will obviously have to wait, though we know its starting price is £165,000, roughly $205,000 with the current exchange rates.